Yep, I've rewinded, so it's time to watch this film. So, blockbuster date's June 15th, 2000. Anyways, and here's a table stake best laid plans. That was put on the 53rd week of 1999. This film stars Reese Witherspoon, Alexander Nivola, and Josh Brolin. So, 1999 by Fox Searchlight Pictures. Film for 1999. This is a rare FBI warning screen just like this one in over the past few days. Following previous sets of Voyage's Most Pictures America.
Probably a fever, then. How fast can you swim? How loud can you scream?
Watch out!
How hard can you laugh?
Come and get it!
He didn't eat me. Because he just ate a cow, stupid.
We're doing the right thing!
You might feel different if you get eaten. Don't miss the movie everyone's screaming about. Cindy! Go under! Lake Placid.
I'm rooting for the crocodile. I hope he swallows your friend's whole.
Rated R.
Following previous sets of Voyages is a motion picture Association America.
For them, it was the perfect summer.
Welcome to first class.
With the perfect
I'm watching this one.
stranger.
Best laid
Here,
plans.
go for it.
Until it became
He wants to take us to Hong Kong.
We can just keep back and have a good time. It'll be unreal.
the perfect setup.
He found you both guilty.
First I thought it was Alice.
Alice was never even alone with him.
He's done it 100 times. You're just 101.
I didn't do it!
Get it now.
Clear Days. Broke Down Palace. Directed by Jonathan Kaplan. Rent it tonight.
Coming to video. Following previous sets of Voyages and Motion Picture Association America.
How much can you know about yourself? You've never been in a fight.
Welcome to Fight Club. Friendship.
We should do this again sometime.
Pain. Pleasure.
I gotta take Fight Club up a notch.
Chaos.
Under control, sir.
Who's stopping this? Abort the plan. It's already done, so shut up.
Edward Norton.
It's too much.
Fight Club.
You were looking for a way to change your life.
Following previous sets of Voyages and Motion Picture Association America.
This here's Brandon.
Stunning.
Go, cowboy!
Come with us.
Riveting. Must see.
Nothing can go wrong if we're together.
One of the best films of the year.
Something's totally weird.
A true story about finding the courage
Make sure you get out.
to be yourself.
Are you not?
Critics agree. 4 stars. For Boys Don't Cry. Rated R.
Following previous sets of Voyages and Motion Picture Association America.
You look alike, you two.
No, we don't.
20th Century Fox presents Susan Sarandon, Natalie Portman,
Is that garbage? Did they throw out that furniture? Don't scratch the car.
in the story of a mother and a daughter
We're like sisters.
holding on.
I want to go to college back east. Over my dead body. Okay.
Great on my hair
I'm gonna
from.
get my own and you on your own.
And the life in between.
She is the reason that I was born.
Anywhere but here.
Following previous sets of Voyages and Motion Picture Association America.
This flip dog on the MIC.
They're not rappers.
I got so much juice, you could call me Bruce. Willie. straight up thug, you know. Taught him everything, you know.
But everyone
I want to get a record deal.
has got a dream.
Thank you, all my fans.
Fox Searchlight Pictures presents Danny Hawk,
It's all good.
Dash My Hawk, and Mark Webber
Word up.
in a comedy about three white boys
Running around pretending you're black?
I am black.
with a posse,
Yeah.
a plan,
Making cake, baby.
and a problem.
Hook me up with your homie. Yo, this ain't Kansas. I'm not the wizard.
Special appearances by Fat Joe, Ted Prez, Mike Geronimo, Slick Rick, Doug E. Fresh, and Snoop Dogg.
It's great gangster.
This summer,
How is it this white dude could be such a dope rapper, right? That's what I'm saying, man.
it's not who you want to be.
Why you act like you're black? Don't let my skin confuse you, all right?
It's who you are.
You think that's a birthmark, right? That's the real color of my skin, and the rest of me is a birthmark. What?
White boys.
Living like stars, you know who we are. White boys, white boys, white boys.
Now on television.
Television's most talked about show
He knew what he was doing, even if he was being led by little Mr. Helmet Head.
is now the Emmy winner for Best Comedy Series.
Does size really matter?
No. No. All I need.
Ally McBeal,
God, she's in the bowl.
What's going on?
Allie's fallen and she can't get up.
Mondays on Fox.
Music from the motion picture Best Laid Plans. Featuring music from Craig Armstrong, Nena Cherry, Mazzy Star, Patsy Cline, Massive Attack, Eagle Eye Cherry, and Gomez. Music from the motion picture Best Laid Plans. You've seen the movie. Now get the soundtrack. On sale everywhere.
Following films and modified original versions. Format fit this screen.